guys, it's me again, Nicole Aloha, and this year I'm super excited for GoPro HERO10 Black! So it might look the same, just change up the color in blue, but I'm pretty sure what's inside you will be stunning. So let's check this out, guys. First of all, the sensorship within camera is changed to powerful new GP2 engine. So this year theme of GoPro 10 is speed with ease. It works even faster than GoPro 9 and even do better in quality. GoPro 10 can shot in small detail in 5.3K with 60 FPS. And slo-mo fan would totally love 4K with 120 FPS or 2.7 with 240 FPS. That's insane for super slow-mo, like when you're jumping, water splash, or any activities you love. Also, with high resolution, you can do frame grab to export photo from video in GoPro app. Next, GoPro 10 is still fit for rough and tough situation. And of course, waterproof up to 10 meters without any housing. And if you wear the housing, it can be underwater up to 60 meters. This is why I love GoPro so much. Being underwater, free diving, enjoy shooting sea creature and stuff. It is easy to use underwater in one click. And also, this new camera comes with a new lens cover, which is water shredding hydrophobic glass, so you will see less droplet on lens and more scratch resistance. And there is also front-facing LCD screen for you to easy for vlogging and see yourself. Third, HyperSmooth 4.0 is just wow. It comes over the limit, even better core with 45-degree in-camera horizon leveling. It's smooth and real stable. So now you can go out do extreme sport like surfing, zip lining, or jumping. Both GoPro 10 offer more quality of photos to 23 MP. It takes only 1 second for super photo, even faster when you compare to GoPro Hero 9. So no worry for late capture. Last but not least, you don't have to buy new accessory for new camera because it all fits. GoPro Hero 10 Black has just the same size as Hero 9, so it fits the battery, charger, underwater housing, pole, dome, and other mounts. All in all, GoPro 10 Black is just a new step of future technology which keep inside this tiny camera. It's totally tough and durable both on land and underwater. With my experience using GoPro for 6 years, from GoPro Hero 4 in 2015, and now it developed every year to better this action camera that very easy to use for everyone. I have the GoPro with me anytime, anywhere, capturing all my journey. So I would say I totally love it, and you will definitely love it too. Aloha!